In today's video, I'm going to show you NestWorks C500 versus Carvera. Which CNC desktop machine is better? Both machines bring smart automation to desktop CNC milling, but they approach it differently. The NestWorks C500 positions itself as a high-power, industrial-style desktop CNC with an 800W spindle that can reach high speeds and torque for cutting woods, plastics, and even harder metals like steel and titanium with fine surface finish and tight tolerances. It pairs an automatic tool changer with built-in CAM software that claims one-click toolpath generation and smart machining parameters, making setup easier for beginners and professionals alike. Its rigid build, industrial-grade, linear rails, ball screws, and plus or minus 0.02 mm precision aim to narrow the gap between hobby tools and small factory machines. Carvera, by contrast, is a well-established, smart desktop CNC developed with ease of use in mind. It combines an automatic tool changer, auto-probing and auto-leveling systems, integrated dust collection, and a built-in laser module for engraving alongside milling. Its spindle is smaller and lower powered compared to the C500, generally rated around to 200W with speeds up to 215 revolutions per minute, but Carvera's precision and automation make it especially strong for PCB fabrication, precision cuts in plastics, woods, and light metals, and workflows where hands-off operation and software guidance matter most. Its robust enclosed design also helps contain dust and noise for workshop or studio environments. In terms of where each shines, the NestWorks C500 is generally seen as better suited if raw machining power and tougher materials are your focus, and you want a machine that can handle industrial-style cuts with higher torque and tougher feeds. Carvera is often regarded as more user-friendly and versatile for everyday prototyping, PCB work, and automated workflows without needing deep CNC knowledge upfront. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.